6:42 this morning. Oh no, it's this graphic again. The record high graphic. Is it going to happen today? Well, these are our records. McAllen 103, Weslaco 102, Harlingen 101, Brownsville 103. And now for the reveal, what we're forecasting. Actually, not quite at those records, but uncomfortably close. Notice McAllen, if there's a place where we're going to tie a record high today, it's most likely going to be McAllen. It is a possibility. Right now we're going 102, but the record is 103. We're just talking about degree difference. Notice 2 degrees shy of records in Weslaco and Harlingen. Brownsville, actually records go back a little bit farther than Brownsville. That goes back to about 1918. We don't have records that go back that far in other locations. It was 103 that day in Brownsville. Today we're forecasting a high of 99 in Brownsville. So though we're not at record heat, it's awfully close to records, and it is not going to feel pleasant at all. Average highs today are going to be 100 degrees. It is going to be mostly sunny, and that's part of the reason why it's extra hot today. There's not going to be that much cloud cover, a few clouds, but we're going to be seeing plenty of sunshine and lots of humidity. And that combination is not going to be feeling pleasant this afternoon. One little bit of good news for you, it is going to be breezy today, gusts around 20 miles per hour, and a little bit of breeze, even a little bit, does help some. If only the humidity could ever be low, but it is not. Unfortunately, the dew points are above normal for this time of year. Throughout the day, they're going to be in the 70s. They're actually sitting in the mid-70s right now, and they're only going to drop to about 72 this afternoon. So it's going to be very humid all day long, and so you have to factor in the humidity with those air temperatures, and it is a bad combination today. A bad enough combination that we are under a heat advisory everywhere except along the coast. That is the only place not included in the heat advisory because, as usual, temperatures are a little bit cooler. Port Mansfield, Port Isabel, South Padre Island, everywhere else, the heat index this afternoon between 2 o'clock and 7 o'clock expected to be between 110 to 115. So it's one of those days where it's extra hot. We're used to the heat in the valley, but this is one of those days that if you don't take it easy, that heat can get the best of you, even if you're used to that heat. So wear the light colored clothing, short sleeves, drink plenty of water, and be smart. If you feel like your body is just getting worn out and you're getting tired, take a break, go inside, cool off in the AC, jump in a swimming pool. Just be proactive in keeping yourself cool. And also, don't forget about your pets. You need to drink a lot of water. They need to drink water too. Make sure they have some shade to get into. If they're going to stay outside today, they're going to be suffering the heat too. And since I have so much good news, let's keep adding to it. The air quality is down today. It was good still for most of the day yesterday. Moderate air quality today because some of that African dust is coming back. If it looks a little bit hazy outside, that's why. Moderate air quality isn't the worst by any means, but if you have heart or lung conditions, just like everybody today, don't overexert yourself. That's the bottom line here. And that African dust may linger in the days ahead. It's still going to be warm tonight. Clear skies early, partly cloudy late, so a mostly clear night. Lows only getting down to around 80 degrees. Still a little bit of a breeze. The good news is today looks like our hottest day over the next 7 days, but it doesn't get much better. We stay in the upper 90s. Notice every day is going to be breezy, if not windy. No rain chance on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast until Sunday, a 10% chance, then Monday a 20% chance, up to a 30% chance around Tuesday. Maybe then we'll finally get some rain-cooled air to work in here. More news coming up.